All right, so if this were my market update and imagine I look like this pretty woman, you would be doing it in Loom and you can move your face around just to make sure that you are not, covering anything. You can actually choose the size of your face. I do recommend like doing it a little bit bigger. Now that may cover up more of your information. So you can just put it like over where your face is if you wanted. But I would bring up this screen because it gives a lot of the context that they're already seeing in an email. And if they're watching your video on YouTube, this is like extra stuff. And a lot of us are visual. So it just gives you something to always show as you're going through the data. Now, you can always jump into RPR if you want to show any trends or dig into a specific area, and that's totally fine. But I would really pull up your market snapshot image that you're going to use in your email nurture and present the data right there, right? So you can just talk about it. You can go line by line, start with the stuff that's really appreciating or the towns that you really care about the most, and talk about the numbers. And remember, it may not be, it may or may not be the first time someone is watching your video. So you always want to very quickly give context. Okay, so I show months of supply because it really gives us an indication of whether we're in a seller's or a buyer's market. Here's why, right? You just want to explain, right? Year over year growth, it is good to see that homes are appreciating, right? Right. When you use the word appreciation, they understand that the median estimated value is like looking at appreciation, right? So things like that just help them to give context. The other thing I like about having this up here right away is it's got your name and your phone number, and that is really important to your overall brand. So that is how I would do this. I would keep this video to be under like 7 minutes, okay? And I know sometimes that's hard, especially when you're going into RPR. But if you're not going into RPR and you just want to talk about things that are actually happening, you can keep this under 7 minutes easily. I mean, some realtors do this in literally a minute and a half. That's fine too. But under 7 minutes is really the rule, and over 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute and under is for like short clips and stuff like that, but you want to keep it over that. Now, I like to say that if you can do this in over 5 minutes, you can use a lot of the clips then for Facebook and just having little tidbits of clips. So I always think that's kind of cool to be able to have. But yeah, the sweet spot is going to be under 7 minutes, over 5 minutes if you can get it there. But again, sometimes short and to the point is totally fine as well. Okay. Enjoy doing your market update. Remember, keep it short, keep it to the point, and explain, right? Explain the numbers and how you think people should look at it from it being a buyer's or a seller's market. All right. Take care. Bye.